butterflies flying all around. C is for clouds so fluffy and white. D is for ducks waddling in sight. E is for earth beneath our feet. F is for flowers smelling so sweet. G is for grass so soft to touch. H is for honeybees buzzing so much. A, B, C, D, come with me. E, F, G, what do you see? H, I, J, K, look around. L, M, N, hear that sound. I is for insects, tiny and small. J is for jumping frogs, big and tall. K is for kites, soaring up high. L is for leaves, dancing in the sky. M is for mountains, standing so strong. N is for nests, where birds belong. O is for ocean, waves so free. P is for pine trees, tall as can be. A, B, C, D, what do you hear? E, F, G, sounds so clear. H, I, J, K, colors bright. L, M, N, what's in sight? Q is for quail hiding in the shade. R is for rain, drip, drop, cascade. S is for sunshine, warm and bright. T is for twinkling stars shining at night. U is for umbrella trees big and wide. V is for violets blooming with pride. W is for wind whistling through. X is for xylophone birds singing for you. Y is for yellow daisies pretty to see. Z is for zebras wild and free. Now we know our ABCs. Nature's full of sights to see. Next time when we sing this song, look outside.